Hello everyone, welcome back to the Money Eyes channel. Today I'm going to be putting together a spread in my meal planner. This is a weekly spread. This is where I go and add all of the meals that I plan on cooking for the week as far as dinner. I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in. I will be using stickers that I created and the taco emoji. That's just the regular emoji from the iPhone or iPad keyboard. But I'm going to just use some stickers that I created, and I'm going to put together the spread and my grocery list at the bottom. The lines at the bottom, those are stickers that I have so that I can just add those in and make them part of the background on a locked background inside of Noteful. So I'm going to let you guys watch me put this together, and I will be back towards the end. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed me putting this spread together. Just leave any comments, any questions, suggestions in the comments. I respond to my comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to anybody that you think might need to use this video. And I will be back with you guys with another video soon. Thank you.